Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited for the new year. So happy new year from my daughter and I. She's joining me today and we are super excited for an update on our avocado. I have to show you guys this. I'm super excited. Every day I literally look at it and I'm like, how did I grow this? And I'm gonna show you again today with this very old avocado my daughter has, how you can start your own and how it's gonna look like that. And so I'm gonna go grab it, we're gonna get started, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna get started with this avocado. Careful with the knife, honey, it's really sharp. And I'm gonna show you how I started my seed, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna grab your avocado and you're just gonna cut it, and then I just kind of put my knife around it like that. You can pull it out, put the knife down. Got it? All right, now that it's all the way around, you just kind of turn it, and there's your avocado. So the pit is there. Now what you're going to do is you're just gonna take the pit out of the avocado and
cut it again?
No, we're just gonna use the pit. So there's the pit. This avocado I can probably use, it's quite old.
I cut it.
You wanna cut it? We'll cut it after, okay? Because we're gonna do this part. All right, so this is what the seed looks like. Just a second. This is what the seed looks like now that it's out. So we're gonna take it to the sink and I'm gonna wash it and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here is the seed here. This is what it looks like. So see how it has this brown coating on the outside? Be careful, honey. See how it has this brown coating on the outside? This brown coating actually comes off, and underneath of this is a white seed. So what you're gonna do with this now is you're gonna take it and either put it in a glass of water so it's fully submerged. You're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag with a paper towel around it that's wet and it's moist in there. You're gonna leave it a couple days, maybe a week, not too long. And this coating, you'll actually be able to peel off. And underneath of it will just be the white seed. And then what you're going to do is you're gonna decipher the top from the bottom. So I actually did this once and I did it wrong, and I did it again and I did it right because I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But what you're gonna find is the bottom, it's kind of like a garlic bulb, right? So the bottom is more flat. That's where your roots are gonna come from. The top is where your tree is going to grow. Just a second, baby. Ooh, good job.
I do this one.
Oh, good job. The top is where your seed, the tree, is going to grow. So what I did was I just put toothpicks around and put it in water. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you the growth. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna go grab it. Okay, do you see this leaf in front of my face? This is the avocado, you guys, look. Look at this avocado. Oh, you can see it there, like look. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about this, but I wanna show you what I did with the seed. So this is the seed we just took out of this avocado. My daughter took it out. I'm gonna keep it in this glass of water for a couple days until I see that the coat on the seed is starting to pull away from this part, the white. See what I mean? Underneath of it's white, and I'll just peel the coat off. Okay, you go ahead, your knife's right there. So I will, then when the seed looks like this, is when I took the bottom once again. And it's funny too, because you can see this seed that I had from this avocado is very round. See how round it is compared to this one? It's more pointy. So this right here is the bottom. You can't really tell, but see the bottom of this avocado? That little circle spot is this. So you're gonna put 4 toothpicks around your avocado, and what's really cool actually is this seed is very, very, it's soft. You did get it. Good job. This seed is very soft under the coat, so these toothpicks go in quite easily, and the reason you want to do the toothpicks is because then you're going to sit your avocado on something where there's either a glass, like a cup, like this one. I'll show you the one I started with. Just a very small cup so it had water, because obviously there was no roots like this. And then as the roots started getting longer, I had to upgrade the length of my glass. But I'm gonna show you, the first cup is right here. This is the very first cup I used to start my seed. So what it looked like was the coating was gone, my toothpicks were in, and it was just sitting here like this, where the bottom, about half of the seed was sitting where the water would be touching it, and I kept this glass full to the brim. And I just keep it on my windowsill. So keep it on your windowsill wherever, and slowly but surely, I saw the seeds start to split. And then I saw a tiny, tiny little eye, like looks like an eye of a potato. The root started growing. So this root here, the thick one, grew first. I'm not sure how much you can see on here, but see on the inside there? See that? How cool is that? So the bottom started rooting, and now you can see that it has multiple roots. Even this root is starting to branch roots off of it. You can see there, which is so cool. And then I saw a tiny little sprout right here, and I was like, that's the tree. You guys, this journey has been amazing, and I have to tell you, for growing a tree this tall already, which is more than a foot tall already, did not take long. But I've learned that you need another avocado tree to pollinate, for cross-pollination. So what's super exciting is I'm gonna start this one, and then I will have that. So I'm super excited. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the avocado. This is what it's looking like, but now, you guys, this has to go in some dirt. So when you plant the avocado seed, what we've read is you want to still keep basically like this, half of it above the dirt and then the rest of it under the dirt. So only about half of the seed is showing and all the roots are under the dirt. So when I do that video, I will come back here and I will post it so you guys can see how I do that. But it's been a little bit, and I wanted to give an update on how you can grow your own avocado tree from an avocado seed from an avocado in your kitchen. So there you go, guys. That is how you grow your own avocado tree. That's how you start it. That's how you just continue it. Make sure that the water's never dropping below the bottom of the seed, so it's always in water. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys that update. I'm super excited about it. I've never grown an avocado tree. Like I said, the first one was a fail because I had the seed wrong. I had the roots up in the air and I had the top down in the water, so that one didn't work. But I'm not a giver-upper. I keep trying, and here we are. So I'm just super grateful. How are you doing, honey? You doing good? I'm super grateful, and it's so cool because my daughter gets to learn alongside me. How old are you, honey?
6.
You're 6? You're 3. So Lauren is 3, and I've been home with her ever since she was born. And I love it. And I love the fact that we can do these things. We're hands-on. I'm learning and growing, and I'm teaching her alongside me. And if it's something that you want to do more of, maybe just be present more or home more, that always comes with, you know, finances and being able to do that. So if that's you and you want to know how you can be home doing more of what you love, being surrounded by who you love, and not have to worry about money, there's a link in my bio, and I would love to connect with you and show you exactly how I'm able to be home with my daughter every single day until she starts school in September, and you best know I'm gonna cry like a baby. But then I have more time to do the things that I love while they're not here, and who knows, I may homeschool. So anyways, love and appreciate every single one of you. This is how you grow an avocado from a seed, and I'm so, so excited for you to give it a try. So if you do give it a try, down below in the comments, drop how it turned out for you. If you have grown an avocado tree and you know anything about them, please, please, please send me a message and teach me. I love learning, I love growing, clearly. I love growing things. So I am just super excited, and from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate and love every single one of you. Thank you so much for following along. Thank you so much for all the commenters, for all the people that like and love the content that we put out. And I am so excited, you guys, for this next year ahead. 2025 is going to just be amazing. And I'm excited to see what happens here with this avocado tree. So anyways, guys, love and appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to ring that bell, subscribe, so you never miss a video. Like this video, and we will see you guys back here next time. Bye. Can I say bye? Bye. You're dangerous with that knife.